Welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to blur a face on Filmora 15. So first we have to load the file. We have loaded it and we're going to play it just to show. See, it's not blurred right now. So we're going to turn it on. So it's super easy. Just have to go to the effects and from there write down AI faces mosaic. When you write down faces mosaic, these options will show up. Choose this one, face off. This is you don't even have to use the gems. Okay, so let's put it here first and then add this. Okay, and now we're going to make this the whole clip. Okay, so let's go to the top and see, like, you'll see like the face is already blurred. However, if you want to add other emojis, you can do that. Select it from here. Any other. We're going to stick with the blur thing. If you want to do some customizations, come here and select, let's say, rectangle, and you can just select where it goes. And there are a couple of other options. The opacity of it, like you can reduce it or increase. I prefer 100, and the blur strength and extend. If you extend it, it's gonna extend. If you reduce it, it's gonna just go away. But it's just tinker with it and you will know which one works the best for your case. So like, I'm going to show it again. You'll see, like, it's super easy and the face is blurred now. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.